Hello. In this screencast, we're going to show you how you can bring in HTML templates created by others into Salestrakr for use in your emails that you send out of Salestrakr. Recently, we had a customer come to us that had done some logo and branding work with 99 Designs. 99 Designs will take any of your requests for a logo or for branding, send it out to all their designers in a contest type of fashion, and bring you back choices that you can use to pick your favorite logo or brand for your company. But they also provided our customer with some email templates that they could use, and I'm going to show you how to bring those templates into Salestrakr. First, let me show you what those templates look like. I'll come over here to my Finder window, which would be an Explorer window in Windows, and I'm going to choose right here the orange version of those. They have a notification template. Bring it up for you. And there's the HTML. I've already opened it, and let's show you what it looks like. So that's exactly what 99 Designs have created. We're going to show you how to bring this into Salestrakr. So let's go back over to that Finder window, and you'll see here we have the HTML as well as some referenced images. Right now it looks great here in the window because it's calling out those files and showing them on my direct hard drive. We'll show you how to bring both the HTML as well as those graphics into Salestrakr and enable them for use in your Salestrakr account. So let's go back over here first and into Salestrakr. We're in the admin area. We're going to create a new email template. And let's first go through and give it a description. We'll call it test email template orange. We'll give it a subject, hello, how are you? That's what would show up in the subject window of an email. Of course, down here in the body is where we're going to want to be able to bring things in. Let's bring up the HTML window. Now let's go back over to where we were before. Let's go back over here. We're going to open that HTML in a Finder or in a text editor. So I'm going to say open with text edit. And there it is. So let's copy all of that. Just say copy all. Or select all. Now I'm going to copy it, come back over to Salestrakr, and just copy that HTML source right there into my window. Now I may not need all of that. Perhaps I can delete out some of the HTML and body tags. We don't really need those. And I'll come back up again here at the top, and I don't think we need some of that other information as well too. So let's go ahead and take out the head and some of the other information. Don't think we need that. Let's go ahead and take that out and take out the body tag. So let's just take those out, and we'll just then say update. And now you'll see it. There it is, a nice, pretty template located right there in Salestrakr. So, but you'll notice some things don't appear to be showing right. Look at all the graphics up here that aren't showing. That's because those images, which was showed you back over here, those are not yet in Salestrakr, and Salestrakr doesn't know how to display those. We're going to copy those images into Salestrakr so that they'll show properly. That'll be our next step. So let's come back over to Salestrakr. Let's go ahead and save this template. Say save email template, and there we've done that now. Let's go over to Files, and I've already created a category called Template Images. Let's go ahead and upload those images, and we will save them against that category. So let's first say Browse. We'll say there they are. Let's just bring in the one image to show you how it works. It says promo-green2 _01 Let me show you why I'm uploading just that one. If I come back into our HTML, let's go ahead and hit cancel here. Let's go back up to our template. So we'll come back to configurations. We'll go down here. We'll look at our template that we saved. Let's come in here and let's pull up the HTML. And let's go to the very first place that references an image. Here it is, image source equal that. You'll see that it doesn't have a full URL to that image. But we're going to change that. So it is, and the image is green2 _01 Let's hit cancel. And we're going to go back over to our files. And let's go back down, and we're going to browse and look for that file. And it's the one that is right here. Let's make that the one that we upload. And let's put it in the template images category. And let's go ahead and add that file. Now that file is in Salestrakr. We can come in and see that it's right here, and we can even download it if we want. But let's go ahead now and make sure that we reference the one that's in Salestrakr and not the one on that remote server. So let's go back over to configuration. We'll go to our template. Let's go back down to and look at the, see if we can figure out which one that's not showing properly. So there's a few images here. Here's one, here's one, here's one. You can see that when we touch those images, it lets us go in and see which one it's calling. Now that's the one, it's the very first image. So now what let's do, let's say instead of it trying to call some remote image, let's go through and look at our image list. And there it is. We're going to tell it it's that one, and you can see there it's actually stored at Amazon. But we're going to go ahead and hit update, and there it is. Now the image is showing fine. Let's go ahead and save that. And let's go pick the next image that we'd like to show. Let's go back down here into our template. Let's go back in here and look at down here, and let's see which one this one is. Again, as I clicked on it, it will highlight down here the image button. Let's bring it up and see it's the _01 _02. Let's now go back into Salestrakr into the files area and upload that file. So we're going to go back into files. Let's go tell Salestrakr to upload that other image, _01 _02. Let's upload that one to Salestrakr. Again, put it into the template images category. Add the file. Let's go back over to our configuration, to our email template. Let's go down below. Let's, again, click on that image. Click the button there. Let's go down and choose, there's the 0102. We'll say update. There you go. Now we're starting to rapidly turn in to something that was external and make it internal to Salestrakr. Now that's what you'd want to do with the rest of those images, but let me show you how you could immediately change this to make it really something special in Salestrakr. Instead of saying hi, name, surname, that's really meant to be a mail merge field. And I'm going to come in here and say first, because that's how Salestrakr does mail merge activities. And of course you'll see here we want to change all this text as well too. It's a lot here that we would want to change. But this is a way that you can bring an external template quickly into Salestrakr and make it your own. Go ahead and give it a try. Go out to 99 Designs, download all their templates, and then just as I've shown you here, bring it into Salestrakr. You'll want to go through and change a lot of things. For example, they have a link here that probably is not accurate. You'll want to change this one as well too. And then of course even these links to your social profiles, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, you'll want to change those as well too. But again, this is a great way to get you on your way to having fantastic templates right directly in Salestrakr. Hope this helps you set up email templates in Salestrakr and have fantastic mail campaigns.